video by FlashTrade1. In this video, I'm going to explain you about indicator where you would be able to see that if your SL will hit, then what is going to be your loss. If your TP is to be done, then what will be your profit. Okay. This is just a live example. You can see that it is a gold signal. This is a gold chart, and this is a gold signal. Today the date is 1st July 2020, and we have given a sell gold signal in FlashTrade1. You can verify that on our channel too. Here I have placed a trade with price 1782. My entry is at 1782. I have put my SL 1785. I have put the TP 1760, and my ongoing profit right now is $880. Okay. You can check over here. That if my SL is going to be hit, if price will go up to 1785, then my loss is going to be $145. Similarly, if TP is hit, TP I will put here 1760, and if TP is to be done, then my profit is going to be 1105. Okay. Now for example, let me just revise the SL. So you can see I have revised my SL, and as per my SL, my SL in dollars changed. See, I have revised my SL now to 1783. Then my loss decreased to $45 from $145. So this is exactly how it works. It will give you a clear picture when you will put the SL and TP. Then it will give you a clear picture that what loss there is going to be and what profit that you or I is going to be earned. Okay. If you want this indicator, then ask us that how you can get this indicator. It will help you a lot in your trading. For any query, you can just chat with us, or you can request for the call. Okay. Goodbye. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.